Hello, this is Michael Kies, and there are 11 words that changed my life, and I'm going to share them with you today. When I first got into real estate, I couldn't believe how lazy most salespeople were. I was amazed. I used to be a farmer, and I applied the same work ethic as farming into real estate, and it did well for me. And I noticed that the salespeople who got to work seemed to have the most luck and the highest results. Now, some people think, I'll get into real estate, put up a few signs, drive a nice car, have a nice pen, and I'll work 9 till 5 or 10 till 4 in some cases and make plenty of money. And then they wonder why they go broke. There are successful salespeople who work hard on themselves and hard on finding listings and making sales. These people are busy. They're always in high demand and build great wealth because of their work ethic. Most people are lazy, and you have a choice. Do you want to be lazy and broke when you're 60? Or work hard for the next 10 years and then be financially free? The choice is yours. Jack came out of a 9 to 5 job, entered real estate, got to work, working long hours and weekends. And by doing this, he brought in over $1 million in his second year in real estate. Now, if Jack can do it, you can too. And by the way, Jack earned 5 times what he earned in the 9 to 5 job. By applying the following about focusing work ethic from today, you can change your career for the better instantly. Number 1, get to work on the right results producing actions. Don't waste time on things that are not producing results. Number 2, live by the 80-20 rule. That is, spend 80% of your time finding sellers, listing them, pampering those sellers to get the price right, and you will only have to spend 20% of your time with buyers. If you're spending a lot of time with buyers at the moment and not making many sales, it's because you don't have enough listings and they're not priced well. So spend 80% of your time focusing on getting listings and then getting them priced well. Number 3, always ask this question: is this leading to a result? If not, stop and refocus on results producing activities. Don't waste your time on things that are not leading to a result. And number 4, write these 11 words in your diary and have them visible at all times. I must do the most productive thing at every given moment. By focusing 80% of your time on finding listings and then pampering the vendors, you will make more sales. If you get to work on the right actions and don't waste time on things that are not leading to a result. Recently, I read the Checklist Manifesto. It's a great book and you should read it, because most professions have checklists that they follow, like pilots. They cannot take off unless they've gone through the checklist. Builders are the same. Building a skyscraper, building a house, they have a checklist of what they must do. Surgeons are now applying a checklist when they go into surgery, and it saves lives. I want to know, do you have a checklist? Do you have a checklist in your real estate career? If not, why not? Create your own checklist or use this one as a guide. Number 1, presentation. Do you look good? Number 2, your car. Is your car clean and tidy? Number 3, create one good listing appointment. Number 4, attend one good listing appointment. Number 5, reduce a property. Number 6, one qualified buyer appointment. Number 7, write wanted ad and distribute it. Number 8, testimonial. Number 9, thank you card sent. Follow this checklist all your own and watch your results and income increase dramatically. If you want to find out more on how you can make more sales, go to www.michaelkies.com.au. There's some free training there. Wish you every success in real estate. Until next time, follow these words. I must do the most productive thing at every given moment. And the most productive thing you can do is to follow a checklist. It'll change your life. This is Michael Kies.